7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Hey, hello guys, this is your favorite motor vlogger Royal Shri, and today I am at the Bandra showroom of Royal Enfeild, and I'm going to show you the new version of the Royal Enfeild, which is the Royal Enfeild X Thunderbird X. So I have one Royal Enfeild Thunderbird X 350 which is on the display over here.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know.
So this is the new Thunderbird X 350 Royal Enfeild ने जो निकाली है. इट्स 2018 मॉडल, और आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस कर दिए हैं.
I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
तो गाइस प्लीज़ बताइए आज का ये वीडियो कैसा रहा. दी एक्सक्लूसिव व्यू ऑफ द थंडरबर्ड X 350 एंड 500 फ्रॉम द रॉयल एनफील्ड. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए. डू शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. दिस इज रॉयल श्री साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर द डे. राइड सेफ एंड प्ले सेफ.